Okay, hi everyone. So today let's discuss this interesting problem. So it says a water pump lifts water from a level 10 meter below the ground. Water is pumped at a rate of 30 kilogram per minute with negligible velocity. Calculate the minimum horsepower the engine should have to do this. Fine. So देखो this is ground and below 10 meter you have water and you want to take this water out with the help of a pump, right? So with a pump we are taking out the water. Actually how pump will take out this water? Actually this pump will generate some pressure difference and water flows from high pressure to low pressure, but आपको इतने डिटेल में अभी जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can assume that pump will apply some force on the water so that this water can be taken out. अब देखो अगर हम वाटर का फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाए, मान लो ये वाटर है, ठीक है, इसमें कितने फोर्सेस लगेंगे? एक तो mg लगेगा, इसका वेट, राइट, एंड देयर विल बी अ फोर्स अप्लाइड बाय द पंप टू टेक दिस वाटर आउट, बिकॉज देखो ये रेस्ट में रहेगा, है ना, initially, but pump will apply some force in the upward direction on this water to take this water out, and finally because of this force applied by the pump ये जो water है धीरे धीरे बाहर निकल जाएगा and finally it will come out of the ground. So if we apply work energy theorem that says work done by all the forces is equal to change in kinetic energy. अब देखो what is change in kinetic energy? Final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. आप देखो initially the block, not block, it's water, है ना, initially the water was at rest, so initially the kinetic energy of the water was 0, and finally when it reaches to ground, right, it comes out with a very negligible velocity. So again the speed of the water molecules or the water at the ground is again negligible, or it's almost 0. So in final kinetic energy of the water is again 0, so change in kinetic energy is 0. Now work done by all the forces, so कितने forces लगेंगे? दो forces, right? Work done by mg plus work done by this force, external force applied by the pump. So you can say this work done by F, you can say work done by the pump, right? So work done by the pump plus work done by mg, that should be equal to 0. So from here we are getting work done by the pump as minus of work done by the mg. And what is work done by mg? That is minus of change in potential energy, right? Because mg is a conservative force. So if you replace work done by mg as minus of change in potential energy, so देखो एक माइनस पहले से, so यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? चेंज इन ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. दिस इज द वर्क डन बाय द पंप, है ना, ये आ गया वर्क डन बाय द पंप. सो इफ आई से इन 1 मिनट, लेट्स से 1 मिनट, है ना, इन 1 मिनट हाउ मच वर्क विल बी डन बाय द पंप? Pump will take out how much water? See, 30 kilogram per minute. So in 1 minute it will take out 30 kilogram of water. So what is the change in potential energy of this 30 kilogram water? That is mgh. h final minus h initial लिख सकते हो. And what is h final minus h initial? Change in height, है ना, ये आपका h final है और ये h initial है. So this is your h final minus h initial, which is given 10. So you can see m कितना हो जाएगा? 30. g you can substitute, right, into h कितना हो जाएगा? 10. So 300 g. This is the work done by the pump in 1 minute, right? So what is the power of the pump? Rate of doing work means work done upon time taken. So work done is 300 g divided by time, which is 60 seconds. So देखो कितना आ रहा है? 5g, है ना. You can substitute the value of g as 9.8. From here you will get the power of the pump in watt. यहाँ पे कितना ये जो यूनिट आएगा ये क्या आएगा? watt. So to convert it to horsepower you have to divide it with 746, है ना. 746 watt is equal to 1 horsepower, right? So you have to divide this 5g with 746 to get the answer in HP. Fine, I think it's clear. Let me know if you still have any doubt. We can discuss further. Okay guys, keep working hard. Best of luck. Bye.